Hi, my name's Alex Copeland, and on behalf of Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model, I'm bringing you another tutorial video. This time I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Email Validator on your hosting. Now to do this, all we have to do is nip over to cPanel. So log into the cPanel for the site you want to install this on, and click on File Manager. Once in here, you need to get to the public HTML folder and then create a folder to put your app into. So let's create a folder and we'll call it Validate. Once you've done that, go into the newly created folder and click on Upload. Now what we want to do now is upload either the Lite or the Pro version of the Email Validator. For this one, I'm going to upload the Pro version. Once that's uploaded, go back and you'll see you've got it here. So now what we need to do is highlight it and extract, and this will take all the files out of that zip. Click Close, then reload this to see them all. Now what we need to do is go to the domain, the folder you just created, and hit return. You should come up with a screen that looks just like this. Now we need to register the software with whatever name and email you want to use. Then it will show you what installation requirements you need. Now this is down to your hosting, so if any of these come up and they have an error, you will need to get in touch with them to find out what's wrong. In order for this to work, we also need to do a cron job. To do this, we need to go back to cPanel, but first, highlight PHP through to PHP and copy. Now go back to your cPanel. Find your cron jobs. You can do that by searching, or if you know where they are, just go there and click then click to choose it. Now if we look back at the install, you see these asterisks here. What that means is it runs every minute of every hour of every day. So if we go back to our cPanel, we can come down and we can actually choose here once per minute, and it will fill all this in for us. You could do these individually if you wanted to, but it's got the most common settings in here on a drop down. Then we put the command in like so, and click Add New. It then tells us that they've successfully added it, and we can go back to our install page. Now we have to wait a moment for it to run for the first time, and then we can refresh the page. Now as you can see, when I refresh it, it tells me that it was last run at this time and this date. That means it's working, and it means that we can use it inside our app. Now the admin login, you just need to create a username and a password, and then just click Install Now. Now after a short time, it will come up and let you know if the installation was successful, and now we just need to use the username and password that we gave it in the last step. And now we're logged in. The next step is to add the API key, which we'll show you in a different video.